Hey guys, I'm Kato here. Today I'm going to show you how to take apart your iPhone 4's back, replace it, or whatever. Here I have a normal screwdriver. Now there are two types. One is the Phillips head and one is the pentalobe. I bought it when it first came out, so I have the Phillips. And I'll try to see if I can do this off camera. I'm quite scared. Okie dokie. So the trick is you press in the screwdriver and pull the screw out. You can feel the iPhone thing loose. There it is. These are really small, guys. You do not want to lose these. And do not over tighten them. They might just break apart. And after you've got your phone looking quite fugly from the bottom, there are the screws. All you have to do is slide up, you can see, and just take it off carefully. There is my black iPhone 4 part, and here is the gut of my iPhone 4. Now give me a minute when I can just show you the white screen on this. Safari would be the best one. Turn the lights off. Whoa. Check that out, guys. That is super awesome looking. So yeah. Right. Lock it up. Here's your battery, your camera and flash. Okay, it's quite bad. And yeah. Now here is my iPhone 4 backplate, the flash diffuser and all. Now to put it back, it's not that heavy. You just put it in there, go off. You slide it down quite well. Ouch. Careful not to hurt yourself. And now, take back the screws and put it back. Alright, here we are. Until your screwdriver gets a little, once it starts getting off them, like right about now, take it off. It'll still be loose, but be careful. There we go, it's in, and it's out. Hold on. I have a magnetic screwdriver, so it's helpful and unhelpful. There. And yeah, pull the iPhone back once, pull it back and forth, see if your camera is aligned good, and your flash, see everything, and yeah, we're good to go. Thanks a lot for watching. This is Mikado here.